How to hide likes on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can hide likes on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, hiding likes on Facebook is actually quite very simple to do. So all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Facebook app. So you want to hide the likes on your post or maybe on someone else's post. For that, tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. Then tap the gear icon, which is the settings icon. Now once you come to settings and privacy, if you look under preferences tab, you'll find reaction preferences. So tap on it. All you have to do is, if you want to hide the number of reactions on posts from others, turn on this. On your own post, then turn on this, and no one else will be able to see the number of likes on your post, or you will also not be able to see for other people's posts. But both of these needs to be turned on depending on what is it. This way you can hide likes on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.